Hey guys, usually I show you diagnostic tools and other car accessories, but today we have something just for fun. So I got this from Mojipic and let's just open it. Let's see what's in the box. So you will have a user manual, you have this mysterious device, we have 12-volt outlet cable, and that's it. So actually what it is a display that you can stick to your rear window in your car, and you can use it to display a logo or communicate with other drivers. So let's put it on my car and let's check how this works. Which way is up? I think this is up. Stickers. 1, 2. So the installation is very easy. You have two suction cups over here and there's an adjustment like this because your rear window is not entirely vertical and you want this display to be vertical. Okay? Let's leave it like this. Two buttons over here and a power supply, and I believe that there's a built-in battery inside. So if I press this button, press and hold it, it turns on. Okay, let's close that. Now, it's fairly bright and I don't have tinted windows, so you can see the device right now. It's broad daytime. And this is how it looks. Let's bring up the mobile application and let's check what we can do with this device. So first of all, the connection. There's a Mojipic application which you need to download to your phone. You need to have Bluetooth in your phone, and this connects over Bluetooth low energy, so you don't have to pair with the device. It will just pick it up as soon as you open the application. And right now I believe it's connected. I can already see that the battery is at 97%, and I have to say that I've played with it for about an hour right now, so that's impressive. At the bottom of the display you have a gallery of all the available images. We have 3D GIFs, we have simple GIFs, we have static images, we have some warning messages, we have NBA logos. There's really a lot of images over here to pick from. You can add anything to your favorites, and I'm not going to lie, I've used it for about an hour, as I said before, and I have my favorites already. So let's go over here, and with a double tap, you can bring it up over here, and there's a lot to do. If something is not uploaded to the device yet, like this, you will have to wait a couple seconds. You have an upload status over here, and as soon as it's ready, you will see it on the display. If you are talented, you can draw something yourself, and there's even a real-time preview over here. So as soon as you touch your screen, it will appear over there. So let's clear it right now. And of course you can upload from your gallery, like over here I have this YouTube logo, and let's save it, add to favorites, name it YouTube, save. Okay, and I believe if I go to the gallery again, to favorites, we have YouTube, double tap, and again it will upload to the display. It only takes about 10 seconds or so. I believe those animated GIFs will take a little bit longer since those have more than one frame, but as you can see, we have it over here. Right from the start, you can tell that the application, the mobile app, is made very well. It's a high-quality app, and it even includes voice control, which is very useful since you are going to control it while you're driving. So with your hands on the wheel, you can say something like, "Hey Siri, turn Mojipic off," and it will turn it off. And with "Hey Siri, turn Mojipic on," you can turn it on. And over here in voice control, you have a lot of different actions which you can customize for your voice and your own commands. Now let's try to turn the brightness to the maximum. So let's go to devices, select the device, and bring it to 100. I usually have it about 20%, which is bright enough for night, and 70, 60, 60, 70 at daytime. It's just enough to be visible in full sun. And you can set it to 100 if you have tinted windows and you still want this display to be visible. There's a couple more things that you can find over here in device settings, and not only the brightness, but also you can check which drawings are over here. Again, with double tap you can enable them, and with a single tap you bring up this simple menu so you can remove something from the device. Like over here, let's remove the Twitch logo, and it's gone. Okay, we also have a game mode, which is really cool. So if you are bored, you can play Tetris over here. So initially I thought that this is just for fun, but I think that I can find some use to it. For example, if you are performing DPF regeneration and you are driving really slow, you can display this 50 speed limit or check engine light and let know other drivers that you are driving this slow for a reason. Or if you have your car parked somewhere on the side, you can display this man at work sign. For example, if you are changing your wheel or you are just working behind your car to let everyone know that you are there, you can use it as a pace car display, and there's really no limit to what you can do with it. You can display this if you are using a dashcam in your car, or this if you are currently making a YouTube video, so no one will disturb you while you are sitting in the car. Of course, if you are an Uber driver, you can show your Uber logo over here. It's a really nice device, high quality device with high quality app, and I can think of many uses for it, so it's not just for fun. And there are just two things that I don't like about it as much. The first thing is the temperature sensor, which is here to protect the device from damaging, and it will not let you turn it on when the device is too cold. So you should take it to home with you and don't leave it at night in your car in winter. Of course, I will show you how to remove it easily, because you can do it like this. And the other thing that I don't like as much is the power cable. You have this 12-volt power cable, and pretty much you have to charge it in your car. So I would prefer USB-C over here. It would be easier to do it, to charge it at home. Of course, you can buy a DC charger with 12-volt outlet and connect it over here and plug it in your home to charge it up. But that's just me. I would prefer to have an USB cable, USB-C cable over here. If you want to get one of those devices, check the link in the description below this video. Also, there's a little bit more of a technical specification over there. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this simple test and review, and see you soon.